Hi, my name is Tatiana and today we're going to make a makeup tutorial only in English.
What?
Okay, I'm not English speaker. I learned in high school mostly, but watching YouTube videos and movies and listening to English music, I have learned a lot. So I hope this video, I don't know. So I hope you like it and you can understand me. And I have braces now. I look so beautiful. I have my eyebrows already done. First, we're going to start priming our lids. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C3 all over my lids. And with this palette, I Think I Love You from Colourpop, I'm going to take the light brown and define my crease. I think this is my dream come true because every time I do my makeup, I say the words as I am filming a makeup tutorial in English for practicing. So, why not in a public video? Don't make fun of me, okay? And now with this black gel eyeliner from e.l.f., I'm going to do like a simple eyeliner with my angle brush. This liner don't have to be perfect because we're going to smoke out the edges later. I do the same thing on my waterline, upper and bottom. With this little brush, I'm going to blend the edges a little bit to get rid of the harsh edge. Sorry for the lighting change, but it's getting late, so I have to bring my ring light. Now with a matte eyeshadow, I'm going to set that liner into place. Sorry for the noise. With this little blending brush, I'm going to take the brown shade and begin to smoke out this line. I'm going to prime with the Total Control from NYX and blend with my fingers only in my nose, my chin and my forehead. A little bit of the Catrice concealer in the shade 20 and set with the Airspun powder. And with the Mega Glow contouring palette from Wet n Wild in Dulce de Leche, I'm going to take the darker color and bronze my face. And in case you're wondering, I'm not naked. I have a top. I'm going to contour my nose with a little brush. For blush, I'm going to use the Milani in the shade Luminoso. I love this blush. It's so pretty. And for highlight, I'm going to use this new one. Is the Kohl Liquid Illuminator in the shade Silver Plata. I'm going to apply it with my blending sponge. Like this. Look. Tip of my nose, the bridge. I'm going to take the black shade again with the little brush and set the lower lash line and the lower lid, of course. With this bullet brush and a little bit of a brown, I'm going to smoke out the lower lid and connect it with the wing. Basically, this is the eye look. I'm going to put a little bit of mascara. Sorry if you hear the rain. I'm going to apply these eyelashes. These are from my Instagram store, Mortiana store. A little bit of this shade on the inner corner of my eyes, so pretty. And for my lips, I'm going to wear this glaze liquid lipstick from Saison. This is in the shade Deep Brown. I love this shade. If you want to buy this collection, we have a discount code. This is makeup in Spanish. And you're going to receive a 30% off. And now, this is the finished look. What do you think? I think it's very wearable for a party, a night out, I don't know. It's sexy. Bueno chicos, ya me cansé de hablar en inglés. Espero que les haya gustado muchísimo este video. Me perdonarán mi pronunciación y las cosas que de pronto dejé de decir porque no sabía cómo decirlas. Ustedes por Instagram me respondieron que les gustaría que lo hiciera, entonces aquí estoy yo poniéndome en vergüenza para ustedes. Ya saben que si recrean este look me pueden etiquetar en sus fotos en Instagram, que yo los voy a estar reposteando, y nos vemos en una próxima oportunidad.